The Brave Hearts program has been a collaboration between the Armory Arts Center in West Palm Beach and the West Palm Beach VA Medical Center. We were approached by the Armory with this idea to use art to help heal our veterans.
Since we have an Arts for Healing program started with our youth, the board decided that what could we do for adults, and the first thing we thought of were the veterans.
Through the Brave Hearts program with the Armory Arts Center, we are encouraging veterans to find another outlet. I have a lot of veterans that I've worked with that feel comfortable coming to the VA Medical Center for their care, but we want to get them more integrated into their communities. And doing that through the arts has been a very natural progression. Getting them comfortable in creating art, going to a community art center, feeling part of that community base has been really healing and helpful for the participants.
So this therapy for me and others, as we say, we have a group dynamics to where we can laugh, we can joke, and we speak the same language, whether it be through the pain or our struggles, but at the same time, we motivate each other in here, and we're being creative and productive at the same time.
Through these classes, not only are they finding a home for groups of veterans to come together and have a shared experience, but they're also finding community with the instructors and the people that they're working alongside with that may not be veterans, but they're making these new connections in a space that they probably wouldn't have come to on their own.
I've worked with the Brave Hearts program for the ceramics component, photography component, painting component, and now the metalwork component. And I find it very, very beneficial. A lot of veterans, because they struggle with PTSD, the art helps them with their mental health, helps the right side of the brain with visualization. It helps with so many things.
I have recently developed my art talent that I've kind of been on the back burner while I was in the military. And I heard about this and I said, I've never welded. It sounded intriguing. And I've never done metal sculpture, and I said, it's a challenge. I had the opportunity, so I did.
The veterans are self-motivated people. They come in and they're ready to work, get the job done, whatever it is. In metal sculpture, there's a lot of tedious, kind of boring stuff, grinding, whatever. These guys just went right after it, you know, half hour, 45 minutes, grinding away without stopping, so.
It's a great class. The welding class, I guess just art in general, because I've never been an artist and I've never been associated with anything like this. And let me tell you, looking at that eagle gives me a lot of pride.
It's just like being in the military, utilizing teamwork, and everyone's trying to help and pitch in and come up with a solution if there's an issue that comes up.
I had a major operation this year, and I thought it might be helpful to work with some other guys and get back on my feet a little bit. I think the final project is going to really look nice. Once we get it set, once we get it all polished up and everything, move it into the museum, it's going to be really nice.
In the long term, they're going to have better success in sense of achievements. It helps them be more aware of themselves. So I would recommend it as a continued program ongoing, and more veterans should be more engaged in it. The arts, at the end of the day, can be challenging to people, or they might say, I don't like art. But if they were really honestly give it a chance, they would see the real strong benefits of it. I've been working with veterans for a long time, and from working with them for years, they never expected that art could actually help transform their thinking and help with their mental health. So I always would recommend it for any veteran. If they were to give it a chance, it would definitely help improve their mental health.